Hi guys, that was a wonderful walk. I started the walk at around 10 a.m. It's 11:13 a.m. So that has been 1 hour. I walked for like almost 30 minutes to where I went to. Then I went to my tree. I've known that tree for 1 year. Kaa wewe ni regular unajua about my tree. Yeah, so while I was under the tree, I was like, let me catch up with Kim Kaidaisi. She's one of my favorite people in the internet. Yani, one thing about that girl, she will look good at the same time she will go for after her dreams. Yani, it has been so beautiful to watch her blossom and to continue seeing her shine. Yani, through her, I get inspired that it's possible. Yeah, yani, mi nampenda tu bure. She's the one who inspires me to keep going when it comes to my YouTube journey. Seeing her makes me also want to do this. The main business of the day is to relax. I'm not sure whether I'll take care of my laundry today later on, but all I know is that today I just want to do things that yani, I just want to relax. Me, I don't want to think about adulthood. Guys, one thing about me, just in case you didn't know, for those people who are here to gather information about me, I'm joking, lol. Anyway, one thing about me, I love butterflies. Yani, I love butterflies. I've just seen one, a white one, but the time I was, oh, there is another one, guys. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? Oh yeah. The main reason why I love butterflies is because of everything surrounding it. I'm a firm believer that, not that I'm a firm believer, I've always known when you see butterflies, it means new seasons are coming, as in a cycle is coming to an end, good things are coming. Now I've seen 2 butterflies. What does that mean? What does that mean? Something good is about to happen? Okay, God. We ready. Tuko sides. Listen to the birds. One thing about the birds, they love showing out. No, scare. Okay, guys. Hi guys, quick question. Will you keep a secret to your partner if the secret is a secret that will affect their ego na pia will hurt their emotion? For example, I was watching yesterday a movie in Netflix. Here it is. I will rate it at 9 over 10. That's because maybe it's impossible to give it a 10 over 10, but iko ni 10 over 10 kwangu. So in this movie, this gali, she was someone's fiancé. So there was a promotion at work, then this girl got to be promoted. Then the people in that company, she was promoted to a position where she can be able to make decisions, top position, yeah. So, uko kwa position, they were telling her she was fighting for her man to be promoted. She was in that position. But so the people in that position were really fighting to fire that man. But now she didn't tell her man, because the guys were like, we can't promote this man is a people pleaser, what. You see, all those unnecessary nonsense. So she had kept it from him. Then there's a time that they started arguing, Okay, guy, God, please send a healed man my way. Mimi staki hizi maneno. Yani, through the movie I was able to see how your man can make you feel insecure for something that vitu zingine tu ni ufala, And that's why it's very important to get yani wewe, like sasa saizi now it makes sense why I'm not in a relationship because all those times I felt Mimi, I am way healed and my man still has a lot of, my previous men still had a lot of insecurity, wounds that they had not taken care of and stuff. So unaona ukiwa healed na mwenzako nini, bado they still have a journey, my friend. Hey, it requires grace. So saizi me, I'm just like, hata siko baya, I just want a healed man. A good, healed, generous, filthy rich, not at a rich, wealthy, a man with a good heart. Mtu mzuri. Mimi nataka tu mtu mzuri. Then now, back to the story, the movie. One thing about me, I will digress. Anyway, so now they were arguing. So the man told the woman, you are a people pleaser, sijui nini nini. The woman was so hurt. She was like, I'm not a people pleaser. You're the one who is a people pleaser. That is the reason why they wanted to fire you, nini nini. So that information, tell me, how necessary was that information? Personally, I feel something like that I can easily hide from. Not really hide. I don't see the need of sharing with my partner such nonsense, as in the information ya mara walisema you're not competent enough, you're a people pleaser, sijui. I just feel it's nonsense and it's unnecessary. And the way I know men with their ego, can you imagine telling the love of your life that? Personally, I will just keep that information away from me. I don't see the need of telling them. What do you think, guys? Will you tell your partner something that somebody else said concerning them, and you know that thing will hurt their feelings, their emotions? Do you see the need? I don't see. Hata with my friends, as in, sinujanga tu, there are times, not all the times though, there are times an insensitive comment can come from one of your friends about another friend and stuff. But my friends, they know me. One thing about me, I'm usually quick to shut down moshene. I'm usually like, as in, I will not comment on it. I'll just say, let's move on. But sasa hizo comments are necessary. Mara, your friend is this. I don't usually see the need of sharing with my other friend. I think the friend who will be hurt when I tell her, Nani and Nani said this. I don't usually see the need. It's just nonsense, yeah. So, have you ever gone for breast cancer check? Yes, me, I went for one. Was it last year or last year, but one? I also want to be intentional about going for the checkup this year, not at this year. This month, I want to organize one of the weekend, go and get checked for breast cancer. But one thing about me, since finding out about my HIV status, low-key I developed a phobia of going to the hospital. I'm just scared. I'm like, oh my God, what if I go, then I find bad news? But also, what if I go? It's better to know about something when it's in its earlier stages, because with that you can easily prevent it. But sasa, when you wait until when the situation is bad, unaona hiyo hata ujisaidii. So I want to be intentional about going for breast cancer checkup, so that's in my plan. And also, how is your mental health? Personally, I feel my mental health on a scale of 1 to 10, it's at 9.5. Yeah. So there's this exercise we did with my students on Friday. Oh my God, it was so refreshing. I don't know if I've ever been so intentional about writing a letter to my younger self. I will say on Friday was like legit, somehow, like not the first time, but on Friday I was super intentional about writing a letter to myself. Guy, that thing is so beautiful. As in, after writing the letter, I came out of that experience feeling, one, relieved, two, I was able to appreciate some of the wins that I rarely took notice of. I was also able to apologize to myself for putting so much pressure to me when it comes to things that I wanted to achieve, and for putting myself, as in for giving myself a tight deadline, because now I understand God's timing is usually perfect. Look at that car. Hii barabara inanibambanga, magari zenye ziko hapa. Hey. Nice cars. Yeah, so I will highly recommend, if you've never written a letter to yourself, maybe a letter to your younger self, you should try that exercise. I feel it's also mental. It allows one the opportunity to clear out a lot of nonsense that one has in their mind, on their mind. As in, overall, it's a good practice for promoting mental health, mental stability. How pretty is this dress? I thrifted it. Just imagine. The material, oh my goodness, this was 400 at Think Twice. We went with my sister. I'm so sure my sister is the one who paid for this. I'm so sure. Yeah, she's the one who did. Oh yeah, just look. How pretty is this? This dress. This dress is why I'm taking eating healthy and taking nature walk seriously. Guys, I don't know. I feel that I'm in such a weird space. In as much as I may tell you, don't give up, go after your dreams, nini, but truth be told is sometimes it's difficult. It's difficult for one to utter believe is going to be okay. There are times you just want things to go faster. You just want, as in, I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but I'm in a season where I feel as though things are not going as quick as I would want them to go. Yeah, and it's low-key frustrating because I find myself asking God the same thing over and over, which I feel, as in, saa zingine mi feel vibaya cause I'm like, si tumeshaambiwa, once you tell God something, leave it to him, stop stressing over it and all that. But you know, we are only human, let's just be honest. There are times you feel, patience, your patience is just, it's not at all easy. You're struggling to believe that it's happening to you. You're like, it's taking a lot more time. So I feel like I'm in that season. Not, I don't want to call it a season because no, it's not as in, yes, it's a season, but it's not going to last for long. But I'm in that place where I feel like change is coming, but I want to see it already. You get what I'm saying? I don't know. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but I'm in that position. Hadi nimejambia hizo nature walk and just quiet time and having spending time with God yani it's really important for anyone, for any adult, because during those times, those are the times that you are like, when kwanza me nature, most of my nature work, they usually just tell me, you see, you are tripping, everything is going to be okay, relax, na saa zingine hadi unapata kai bedho ile kitu nilikuwa I was reminding God over and over and over again actually happened, and that maybe you ignored it ama sijui ka inaeleweka, because I remember there was a time I used to crave, yani I was like, now I'm ready to graduate. God, I'm ready to graduate. God, please, I'm ready to graduate. God, please. Saizi, I'm like, it's just here in my face, and I feel as though I'm not. I need to celebrate it more. As in, I need to be hata kama ija happen, cause see, there was a time I used to be constantly get worried about it. Kwanza, hey, maybe let's just say I'm dedicating my degree to my dad. That man has suffered in my hands. Oh my God. I just need to, and I've not started. I feel like I need to repay him ile serious. The number of trips we went to. See, I told you guys that trip I told him we have a class trip to Zanzibar and stuff. And you know, my father has always been, si ati ni mzee ule mwenye akona mamali nini. Pia yeye ni kutafuta, ile ya kutafuta. So imagine he was able, kwanza mimi I used to pressure him. He was able to kufanya juu chini hadi akahakikisha nimeenda hiyo Zanzibar trip. My friend, which Zanzibar? I was just somewhere in Kisii that day. I'm out drinking expensive alcohol. I remember kwanza when I was in uni, I used to drink Red Label, nothing else. You're putting yourself somewhere where you know it's a real struggle just to show people ama sijui to prove a point, all that nonsense. Yani, all that time my dad thinks he has paid for Zanzibar trip. Mimi niko mahali tu Kisii kwa klabu, nimelewa ninakatika kiuno. I have danced like that time my dad is just suffering. Yani, there are some decisions I used to make when I was in uni. Squeezy, yes, I forgive myself, but nikifikirianga miukwa tu zile za, that was a dumb decision. Then, guys, it backfired on me. There was a day we were with my dad. Juzi, I mean 1-2 years ago. We were chilling. Then one of my buddies had gone to Zanzibar. So alikuwa na tu updates mtandaoni. And I was chilling with my dad chini ya mti. Nakumbuka hiyo siku tulikuwa Siaya, alikuwa amesha retire. So I had gone to see him. Yeah. It must have been during my birthdays because I don't know. Yeah. Ama New Year's. I don't know. Yeah. I had gone to see him. So sasi, when we were talking, I showed him, by the way, rafiki yangu mwingine ameenda Zanzibar. sijui nini. It must be nice. Unaona tu ile banta 1 2 1 2. My dad turned to me, he was like, hata ufai kusikia kitu yote, siwe nilikulipia trip ya Zanzibar. My goodness, I had even forgotten I had told that lie. Yani, sijaisikia ashamed hivyo, hata siku comment, sikuongea, but I'm just like, yani, God, sasa, I just want to God, I know doors are already opening, it's just, but I'm just like, God open doors, God open doors. I really want to take care of my dad. Yani, the things he has gone through, all because, parental love. That man, I know that man loves me. I know that man will do anything to ensure that I am okay, I am good. And I feel as though before sasa it's adios time, his time is gone, ama my time, he needs to have enjoyed the fruit of his labor. Mimi, one of the people who motivates me to keep pushing, to keep working hard is my dad. Yani, I love my dad so much. Yani, that man, the life that I want him to live, that is the main reason why I feel I push myself to just keep moving, keep pushing, because I know it's a jeeper. That is one thing. The beauty of yani being raised with knowing about God, the beauty is that when you are in difficult times, you can always yani go back to God and remember that He always does it. At the end of the day, He's a promise keeper and he's not a liar. Yeah. So constant, yani, anytime I'm doubting God, I sit down and start reminding myself, my God, baby girl, God is not a liar. He's a promise keeper. And I think about all those things that God has saved me from, the grace, yani, kwanza the gift of grace. I'm so, yani, God, thank you so much. Like I was telling you guys, I feel like I'm in a place where I just want things to move quickly and fast and all that. But you're just like, God's timing is the perfect timing. So we're also learning to be patient. Yeah. Nata, kwa hiyo story, please, if you've not subscribed, make sure you do. Then if you've subscribed, thank you so much. I'm so grateful. Nakupenda zaidi, zaidi, ya zaidi, ya zaidi. Thank you for rocking with me for my day ones. Yani, nakupenda zaidi. Mmesikia na muendelee kusupport. Na pia, msikosa kuplug nini circles zenyu, watu wenye mna feel hii channel inaweza wa nice. Sawa? So, for once, I look good in camera. Working from home, hey, is dangerous, especially when it comes to outfits. Hey, and looking good. Woo. Sasa hiyo inaanzanga kwa rumors. Looking good, rumors. Time yenye we are working from home. But we try. So, guys, don't give up. I will insist, Don't lose hope. Meskia, don't lose hope, don't give up. Na pia you can comment which of the two dresses is your favorite. Currently, I can't decide because I feel they're different, as in how it's not possible for me to choose a favorite. So I love all of them so much and I can't wait to rock them. This one at the beach, the other one for a brunch or something. Yeah, so that's what's up. Bye, guys. Happy Utamaduni Day, ama is it Happy Huduma Day? I don't know for the Kenyans. So this is how we are starting the morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. So the goal today is to chill, as in the whole day, to just relax, but relaxing the adult way. So I also plan to do my laundry because thank God my house is clean. I cleaned the house on Sunday general and today is Tuesday, so today I'll just do light mopping. See, I could move vitu and stuff here. So that's my plan today, and having this, then go for a nature walk ndio nianze siku. How are you? Nimepika saizi asubuhi, hata majirani niko sure anashanga kwani huyu alilala njaa. But these are lentils, rice, banana, then that's masala tea na nimeongeza pia lemon, then my warm water. Yep. Okay, guys, see you later. I know I look funny, but kofia zangu zote mbili ni chafu na sasa I'm trying to protect pia my face from sun isinitandike, so yeah, the beginning of my nature walk. Sun is popping. Instant energy boost. This is the tree that I was telling you about 1 year. The men are excited to see me. I'm just like, guys, mind your business. Any small showing of body. Everyone is showing me their tongue, kidogo, macho na finyiwa. I'm like, hey. Okay, guys, I understand, I know. Okay, guys, moshene tu. Hi guys, so I got home, took a cold shower, I feel so good, then ate lunch. While I was eating my lunch, nilikuwa nina watch, of course, a podcast by Jay Shetty. So basically the guy was talking about putting in the work when you're not happy with the results. For example, if you feel as though you don't have enough, there's always an opportunity to put in the work and get the enough that you want. So, and just learning to go after your dreams and not limiting yourself and stuff. So that is the podcast that I've finished watching. Now I want to watch Friends, a comedy, 1 episode, then take a quick nap. So I want all this to happen by 2:30. I'll be waking up, clean my clothes and stuff. I have a date with my sister, but I'm not sure whether I'll go. Yeah, she's invited me to her house. She's cooking supper. Yeah, so that's the plan. So see you later. Hopefully it'll happen, but sijui, but I'm just crossing my fingers. Okay, guys, see you later. Guys, first time cooking chapo. Oh my god. I don't know why, but I'm so proud of myself. Najua inakanika inaweza pepeta jiko, but I'm just happy. I've cooked myself chapatis. Yeah, that is all I want to say. But I'm so sure my mom is standing on the girl. She's just wondering, huyu ndio wife material wa mtu. But anyway, a step is a step. I'm so sure next time they'll be better than this. Okay, just wanted to show out my chopper. Bye.